If you're experiencing login issues with Bluevine, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try opening other websites or apps to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your login credentials, including your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct account information. Step 3. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies and try logging in again. This can help refresh your session and resolve any conflicts. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Bluevine's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems on Bluevine effectively. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.